Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali. You are watching CGHOW video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. The link is in description. And let's start this. So I have already created this effect, but I will create it again. And for this effect, this is my system, and 4 elements I use, materials and 1 mesh. So I'll create it again. I'll make a folder test. And first we need a mesh, and I just exported it from Maya, a simple default torus. Nothing changed in this mesh or UVs of this mesh, so default torus. So here in test, I'll make a material M torus, and if I use this mesh here to preview, and let me just move this side, it is distracting now. So we have this torus here, and I'll take a texture T and aura and just